Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to help you solve NIELIT Practical Question for DCA based on MS Excel. NIELIT stands for National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology. So let's check the question. Here, using Excel, enter the data as exactly as given in the following and save it as employee. So we are asked to enter data as exactly in the question like this and save it as employee once we are done. After entering the data, we are also asked to do the following tasks using appropriate Excel formula. And the number one question is calculate the total contribution. We are going to calculate the total contribution here like this. Using formula, we are going to calculate the total contribution. Also, find maximum and minimum contribution. Using appropriate formula, we are going to find the maximum and minimum contribution. Next, find the average contribution. Using appropriate formula again, we are going to find the average of these contributions. And the last one is set the EIN column so that no duplicate EIN values are allowed to enter. The EIN column is right here. EIN stands for Employee Identification Number. It's something like employee ID, roll number. Okay, so we are going to set this column in such a way that no duplicate values can be entered. Suppose if I enter 10 twice, then it should not accept. It should show some kind of error, or it should warn you with some dialog box. So let's open Excel and start working on it. Alright, please follow me. Let me start from serial number. Press tab. Tab. Designation. Press tab. Government. Contribution. Here, as you can see, government contribution is written in two lines. This is in two lines, government and contribution. So to write like this in Excel, we have to do like this. If I press enter key here, it's not going to break the line. So in order to break the line, we are going to wrap the text. To wrap the text, simply double click like this and hold the Alt key and press enter. Okay. Now let us resize the column. Name of the subscriber. Double click on the column header. Double click. Let me expand a little bit and select this row and align it on the middle by pressing this. Let's make it bold. Number 1, press enter. 2, press enter. Select these two cells. Point on the lower right corner. You can see the plus sign. Click there and drag till how much serial number you want. Okay, and arrange the numbers in the middle. Align it in the middle and type the pran number. Just type some random number. Okay, let me just drag this and let's leave this column. Okay, and let's do this later. Type the subscriber name. Enter. Press enter to come to the Excel. Press enter. Okay, now let's fill the designation. Press enter. SI. This is also SI, this is also SI, so we can just drag it like this and let us align this middle. Okay, then contribution, I'm entering all this data according to the question. Okay, here 6011 4235 4235 again 3989. Okay, that's it. So let us also align these numbers in the middle, make it look good. Okay, now let us put border. Select like this, click here and drag till the end of the table, and on the drop down arrow here and choose all border. Alright, now let us type the heading Police Department Manipur Imphal. This one, let's type here. Okay, now select this cell till this end and click merge and center, and then make it bold by clicking bold, and then increase the size of this font. Just click the bigger A here like this. Alright, okay, let's add another border here. We miss the total row. Total. Let us merge these useless cells. Okay, to make it blank. Now let us check the first question, that is calculate the total contribution. Let us calculate the total contribution using appropriate formula. Let us calculate the total contribution here. To calculate the total contribution, to find the total, we are going to use the sum function, that is equal to sum open bracket, and select the cells from where to where you want to calculate the total, like this. Select like this. Alright, and then close the bracket and press enter key, and the total is 25117. Align it in the middle by selecting the cell and click center alignment and make it bold to make it distinct. Now let us check this next question. Find maximum and minimum contribution. Let's do this. Let us find the maximum number here. Let me type maximum. Press tab. Let us calculate the maximum number here, okay, by putting the formula equal to max max open bracket. Select the range of cells from here to here, and then close the bracket and press enter key, and the maximum contribution is 6647, which is the first one. And let us also find the minimum contribution. Okay, press tab. Let us find the minimum here, equal to min open bracket. Select the range of cells, that is from here to here, close the bracket, press enter key, and we got the minimum contribution, which is 3989. Alright, now let's check this next question. Find the average contribution. Let us also find the average contribution. So equal to find the average, we're going to put the average function. We have an average function which is under mathematical functions, AVE RAGE, average, open bracket, select the range of cells and close the bracket, and the average will return. The average contribution is 5023.4. Alright, let us put border for this as well to make it look good. Just click. Alright, here it is. Now let's check the next question. Set the EIN column so that no duplicate EIN values are allowed to enter. We're going to set this column in such a way that no duplicate values could be entered. Suppose let me enter 10. Let me enter 10 again. In this case, it will accept the values. As you can see, there are two values which is same. So in order to make it avoid this thing, we're going to write a formula so that no such duplicate values could be entered. To do that, let us select this column and go to Data tab and click Data Validation. From this LO, choose Custom. Choose Custom from the drop-down list. Choose Custom and write the formula here. And the formula to write is equal to count ifs, count ifs. There's no space between count and ifs, okay? Equal to count ifs, open bracket, and we're going to count from here to here. Alright, so this cell is E5, okay? So let's write like this: $E $5 colon $E $9, okay? $E $5 to $E $9, that is from here to here. Alright, $9, and then comma and click the first cell. You can click like this, okay, E5, or you can also type it manually like this, E5. Alright, then close the bracket, then equal to 1, and then before clicking OK, we are going to set some custom messages, okay? So once you have done writing this formula, go to Error Alert tab right here. Click the Error Alert tab and choose the style of the error. Let's choose warning, and the title is, you can write something like duplicate entry, and the message, let's write the message something like this: please enter the correct EIN. Okay, now let's click OK. We are done. Alright, now let us check. Let me just type 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now let me again type the same number. Let me duplicate, okay, and let's see what comes. 1 2 3 4 5 and press enter key. See, we're going an error like this. We have just said duplicate entry, please enter the correct EIN. So we're going to modify it, okay? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now it's not showing the error, okay? 101. Let me press 101 once again. Let's see if we get the same error again. 101. It's showing the error again because we have entered duplicate entry. We have entered duplicate number 101 twice. Okay, so we're going to 102, 104, like this. Alright, I hope you can understand. I hope you enjoy. I hope you can understand this. If you have any doubt, any question, please ask, please inbox, please comment. Thank you for watching.